Go to Composition, Composition Settings, 3D Renderer, make sure Cinema 4D is enabled. Get the Ellipse tool, draw a circle, center the anchor point with the anchor point tool, align it to the center of the composition. Rename the layer. Make sure 3D is enabled. Change the fill and stroke color. Make sure the stroke is set to 1. Under Geometry Options, Extrusion Depth to 50. Bring up the rotation with the R key. Press the stopwatch for the Y rotation. Move over on the timeline. Change the Y rotation to 1 full rotation. Change the anchor point to make it rotate from the center. Select the keyframes, F9 to easy ease. Go into the speed graph. Drag this handle to the left. Use the text tool. Parent the text to the coin layer. Make sure 3D is enabled. Now preview. Subscribe for more tutorials.